Hi everyone and warm welcome to Hopeland Technologies. Established in 2009, we are a certified manufacturer and solution provider focused on the IoT and the power industry. We have got the ISO 9001, 14001, 45001 CE and the FCC certificate. I'm Kikyo, the International Marketing Manager. I'm so glad to show you what we have got. Let's begin with our comprehensive suite of IoT-enabled RFID devices. Many of you are already familiar with our flagship Shine and Sharp readers, such as our Sharp 100, Shine 340 readers. They are now already operating in over 80 countries. Beyond that, we also have Handheld Terminals. That's the top cut insurer and RFID tags. They are hard at work in finance, healthcare, smart transportation, logistics, and the new retail. Now, for the main event, our new power product line for the global market. This includes our energy meters, such as single-phase, three-phase rail meters. We also have test equipment and the transformers and AC charging piles. Let me highlight our HL3021 multifunction calibration device. Its accuracy is top tier, right up there to be the best in the world. It's super integrated with powerful function and easy to upgrade, making its performance truly leap forward. To know more about our newest innovation, we invite you to join us at the Elite Africa and Asia exhibitions. For future details, just search for hopelandrfid.com. We will be the first result. Thank you very much.